पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। शांति शांति शांति। अनेजदेकम ईशावास्य शुक्ल यजुर्वेदी उपनिषद। We are studying the Kanva Shakha Ishavasya. It is also there in Madhyanjana Shakha, but mantras are different. Anejadekam manaso javiyo nainat deva apnuvan purvamarshat. Enat. Enat shabda is not pullinga, it is napunsakalinga. But etat shabda द्वितीया एक वचन नपुंसकलिंग. Etat is Sarvanama. So what is Nama for which this Sarvanama is used? Because I thought in the previous shloka, Yeke Atmahano Janaha is said. Atma Shabda is Pullinga. So that's why its Anuvritti will be there in Chaturtha Mantra. But here Arsha Prayoga could be there, Napunsakalinga. So you understand, Napunsakalinga here in Chaturtha Mantra, Tritiya Mantra is Pullinga. Prathama Mantra, Eat, Isha, Asya, Midam, Sarvam. So different words are used, but you have to understand it is same thing. We were seeing the and Atmahano Janaha was given in the previous one. So Atmahana is Atmaha Shabda. Atmahana is already given in the mantra, so it is correct only. See second line. Visarga is correct. Is correct. That's what I just said, it is correct. See the second line of fourth mantra. Tadhavato anyan atyeti tishthat. Tadhavato anyan atyeti. When that Atma Tattva runs, अन्यान अत्येति तिष्ठन. स्वामी जी, ईशावास्य उपनिषद.
Which line? Fourth mantra?
हाँ, फोर्थ मंत्र. अभी तो बस मंत्र ही चल रहा है. अन्यान अत्येति तिष्ठत. तिष्ठत अत्येति. Standing at one place, it runs. तिष्ठत अत्येति. खड़ा हुआ, दौड़ता है. Like that. Atyati goes beyond. So this is Virodha. And then Tasmin Napo Matarishva Dadhati. Tasmin Matarishva. Matarishva Vayu. Matari Shvayati iti Matarishva. Matari Akashe. In Akasha, that which blows, Shvayati, is called Matarishva. Apaha Dadhati. Apaha is karma phala. and Vayu means prana. Prana means Hiranyagarbha. So Hiranyagarbha gives karma phala staying in that Brahma, in that Atma. So it is little poetic way it is described. Literal meaning is not this. What it means is Hiranyagarbha also is within Atma. That Hiranyagarbha, which is Srishti Sthiti Laya Karta, Hiranyagarbha. See, in Purana we say Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha. But in Upanishad, Vedas, is one person only, who is Srishti Sthiti Laya Karta. That is Hiranyagarbha. So then, that Hiranyagarbha is giving karma phala. Bhashya. Anejat, na ejat. Anejat, na ejat. That which does not move. मिला. एजरी कंपने धातु. कंपनम मीन्स चलनम. स्वावस्था प्रच्युति. स्वस्य या अवस्था तस्मात् प्रच्युति. स्वावस्था प्रच्युति. So for example, like let us say this cloth is there, is in my hand. So there is no chalanam. But for some reason, let us say lot of wind comes and it falls. This is called prachuti. Swavastha means this vastram is pitam. Pitam vastram. Pito pataha. Pitaha pataha. If this becomes for some reason brown, then it is swavastha prachuti. स्वावस्था प्रच्युति. तद्वर्जितम सर्वदा एक रूपम इत्यर्थः. That which is devoid of it. स्वावस्था प्रच्युति ही तद्वर्जितम. So in Atma Tattva, this prachuti is not there. सर्वदा एक रूपम. नपुंसक लिंग शब्द you can use as Atma Tattvam. Okay. So this we have to understand for ourselves. I am Sarvada Ekarupa. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptishu. Sphutatara ya samvid ujrumbate. Then second line. Pipilikant tanushu. Prota jagat sakshini. Third line. Saivaham na chadrishya. Who was answering? Good, good, Amma. Good. Prajnapi yasyasi ched. Antaprajnatwadi vikalpaihi asprishtam. That which is not antaprajna, that which is not bahishprajna, दृषि स्वरूप. उपदेशाः श्री सर्व वेदांत सिद्धांत सार संग्रह. सर्वदा एक रूपम इत्यर्थः. That is who I am. I was never antaprajna. I was never bahishprajna. I am not ubhaya prajna, not prajnana ghana, not aprajna, nothing. I am Brahma. That is what it is. Tacha ekam sarvabhuteshu. Not only as my avasthas change, I don't change. Even in other beings, I am the same one. Sarva bhuteshu ekam. टिप्पणी नंबर 5. तच्च एकम सर्वभूतेषु इति एको देवः सर्वभूतेषु गूढ़ा. Everybody has 5 number in their books. 5 number टिप्पणी. This is Shvetashvatar Shruti. This devah shabda दिवु क्रीडायाम इति धातु दिवु क्रीडायाम नंदी गृही पचादिभ्यो ल्युणिन्यचः. दिस इज सूत्र. तुम्हारा लघु नहीं हो रहा है. नंदी गृही पचादिभ्यो ल्युणिन्यचः. सो देर आर दीज गणस, that which starts with Nandi, that which starts with Grahi, and that which starts with Pacha. In Nandi, there is Lyu Pratyaya. Grahi, there is Nini. And Pacha, Pachadi Gana, it has Ach Pratyaya. That's how Devat becomes Devaha. It is there in that group. So this sutra number, I don't remember. Nandi Grihi, you just look for that, you will find.
31134.
31134. Okay.
Swamiji, Ena is for Ekam. Is that correct? Ekam is Napumsakalinga.
What did you say? Enat or Ejat? Enat is Napumsakalinga, correct.
Is that the Sarvanama for Ekam?
Yes, yes. No, but Ekam, Eka Shabda itself does not define Atma. If somebody says Ekam, will you know Ekam means Atma? What is the Shabda which indicates Atma? That you have to know. So you can use Atma Tattvam. Atma Tattvam, which is Ekam. Ekam Shabda, if I say Phalam, Phalam is Shabda which you can address as Tat Phalam. If I say Phalam is there and I use Ekam Shabda you can use for anything. So then it will not be a Sanya for a Vastu. It is Sankhya Vachaka. It is Napumsakalinga, that is okay. तच्च एकम सर्वभूतेषु. टीका. अविक्रियम एकम चेत आत्मतत्वम. सी इन आनंद गिरी जी has given. अविक्रियम एकम चेत आत्मतत्वम. कथं तर्हि केचन स्वर्गगामिनः केचन नरकगामिनः इति सांसारिक व्यवस्था स्यात् इति चेत् मन उपाधि निबंधनेत्यभिप्राय प्रेत्य आह. हाउ विल यू स्प्लिट दैट संधि? मन उपाधि, आफ्टर दैट
निबंधन इति अभिप्रेत्य आह.
निबंधन इति. निबंधन, हाउ दैट निबंधन? देयर इज नो सुप्रत्यय. बोलो. that is not correct. इति चेन मन उपाधि निबंधना इति अभिप्रेत्याह. निबंधना is there. निबंधना का हाँ
मनोपाधि.
no no no. It's a simple question I have asked. सांसारिक व्यवस्था, ओनली स्त्रीलिंग शब्द देर. सांसारिक व्यवस्था मन उपाधि निबंधना. सांसारिक व्यवस्था is because of मन उपाधि. See, the question is this. Try to understand. If there is one Atma, why some jiva goes to Swarga, some jiva goes to Naraka, right? That is the question. Katham tarhi kechana swargagaminah. Some people go to Swarga, some people go to Naraka. This sansarika vyavastha, how will it happen if there is one Atma? What is the answer? Mind is the upadhi. Mind is going to Swarga, mind is going to Naraka, not Atma. Atma does not have Gamana. Mind goes to Swarga, we say, this Atma, like Gauna Prayoga people do, his Atma is in Swarga. Unka Swargavas ho gaya. In Hindi they give benefit of doubt. Everybody has gone to Swarga only. So, mana upadhi nibandhana. This is Bahuvrihi Samasa. Manaha upadhi nibandhanam. Nibandhanam moola karanam. Yasyaha. Yasyaha. Anya pada will be यस्याहा. Then सांसारिक व्यवस्थायाः. षष्ठी एक वचन है. मन उपाधि निबंधनम मूल कारणम यस्याः अवस्थायाः सांसारिक व्यवस्थायाः. सा सांसारिक व्यवस्था मन उपाधि निबंधना. सांसारिक व्यवस्था, सुख दुख. If there is one Atma, how one person is sukhi and another person is dukhi? What is the answer? Mind is the upadhi. Elaborately, this is discussed in 5th Karika of 3rd chapter, Advaita Prakarana in Mandukya. Very elaborately, taking Sankhya Paksha, Vaisheshika Paksha, and in there I had explained what is Samavaya. Not now, during the course also, you see your notes. What is Samavaya? Because that book is not open right now, so नित्य संबंध समवाय ययोर द्वयोर मध्य. हाँ स्वामी जी, आपका तो तर्क संग्रह हो गया है, आप बताइए. हाँ, सी नाउ तर्क संग्रह बुक. आई नो, सो आई कैन आस्क यू तर्क संग्रह व्हेन दैट क्लास इज नॉट गोइंग ऑन. ययोर द्वयोर मध्ये एकम अविनश्यत अपराश्रितम अवतिष्ठते. So there it is explained all these. Bandha moksha vyavastha, sukha dukha vyavastha. Here they have given swarga naraka vyavastha. Swarga, how one person can be bound, another is liberated if one Atma is there. Same thing. Mind, bondage is at the level of antakarana. Moksha is also at the level of Atma is only prakashaka. Of bandha also, moksha also, sukha also, dukha also, everywhere. इति अभिप्रेत्य आह. इन भाष्य मनस संकल्प आदि लक्षणात् जवीयो जवत Javavattaram. Javiyah means Javavattaraha, that which is very fast. Javavattaraha. Which manah sankalpadi lakshana. Sankalpa vikalpa, it does so fast all the time. Here also, anyway, this is enough. टीका उपाधेर अनुवर्तनात् विक्रियादि व्यवहार आश्रयत्वम इति शेषः. Upadhi's anuvartanam is there for vikriyadi vyavahara. So if there is vikara in upadhi, we say in gauna rupa, upahit is vikriya. Vikara is only in upadhi. For example, if there is a crystal and there is a red flower, right? So that is upadhi. Whatever is in upadhi, in gauna rupa, it is said it is there in atma. Really speaking, atma, the crystal, it does not have any vikara. So if this flower, let's say it has multiple colors, and if it is moving, what will appear? A crystal is having different colors, right? So take something which is of three colors, let's say, trigunatmaka, and it keeps rotating. Sattva, Raja, Tama, like this. Who crystal will appear? Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic. Then again Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic. Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic. It will go on happen. So we say, oh, I am very Sattvic today. Now I am Rajasic. Now I am Tamasic. Everything is happening in upadhi. Vikriyadi vyavahara ashraya is upadhi. But it's anuvartanam as if it is in atma. Iti shesha. Nanu manaso देहांतस्थत्वात् बहिर्गमन अयोग्यत्वात् कथम वेगवत्वम. Somebody, his mind is in deha, देहांतस्थत्वात् बहिर्गमन अयोग्यत्वात्. There is no bahirgamana. How mind will go fast? You say it is very fast, it runs outside, etc. Bahirgamana ayogyatvat. Katham vegavatvam. How it is vegavatvam means what is vegavatvam? Huh? See, I have explained this. Rupavatvam. Rupavat. Rupavat means that which has rupa. Rupavala. Matu pratyay is there. Rupavat. Rupavat tvam means that which is in the thing which has rupa. Pataha is rupa. Rupavan is pataha. Correct? Rupavan is pataha. Rupavat tvam. Pata, in that there is rupa. So rupavan will be what? Pataha. Right? In that pata, if I say rupavan will be the one which has rupa. Tasya bhava tvam. So here rupavatvam means rupaha. Like here also, Vegavatvam means Vegaha. How mind has Vega? How mind will have speed if mind is inside the Deha and it is not Bahirgamana Yogya. There is no going and coming. And another in 11 number means in my that Gamana Shabda Tippani you say. If mind goes outside, then that person will die. Antakarana, if it is given here. Idam cha bahirgamana ayogyatvaditi. Idam cha jivat dashayam eva iti mantavyam. This is only possible in living avastha. Tatra hi manaso deha nirgamane. If mind goes outside from the body, deha kashtha upaladivat shunya eva apadyeta. Kashtha like a wood, or upala means a rock, stone. If mind goes out, then body will become a rock. Means it will be shunya. So now answer is given in Bhashya first, you see. First couple of lines we have to see in Bhashya. Katham viruddham uchyate dhruvam nishchalam idam manaso javiya iti cha. This is viruddham. Dhruvam nishchalam. And this manaso javiya, this atma tattvam is faster than mind also. Manaso javiya iti cha. How this virodhabhasa you have taken? So, dhruvam, nishchalam, it was not said in Ishavasya. Where was it said in Ishavasya? It is dhruvam. In up till now, it is not said, right? No. So, either you understand that nishchalam, dhruvam, is from other shruti, other smriti, dhruvam, nishchalam. Idam and manaso javiyati cha naisha dosha. There is no dosha. Nirupadhi upadhimatvena upapattehe. Nirupadhi upadhimatvena. Without upadhi and with upadhi, this is possible. When it is without upadhi, dhruvam, nishchalam. With upadhi, faster than mind. Manaso javiya. In this. So, this is true for everything. Can I talk or not? So, nirupadhik I cannot talk. Sopadhik I can talk. Nirupadhik I cannot go anywhere. Sopadhik I goes everywhere. Upadhi, bhava, abhava, or abhava, bhava in this way. Upapatte, it will work. Everything is appropriate. In 5 number tippani, upapattehe iti. Drishtam cha etat swarupato achalamapi nabho gacchad ghatadi sambandhena gacchad iva bhati iti. Like a pot is there, in that akasha is there, right? Akasha by itself does not move. But when ghata moves, then you say, oh, it is moving in this way. Tatra, in Bhashya, nirupadhikena svena rupena uchyate anejat ekam iti. निरुपाधिकेन स्वेन रूपेण आत्मतत्वम अनेजत एकम that which does not move and it is one. मनसो अंतःकरणस्य संकल्प विकल्प लक्षणस्य उपाधेः अनुवर्तनात् इह देहस्थस्य मनसो ब्रह्मलोकादि दूरगमनं संकल्पेन क्षणमात्रात् भवति इति अतो मनसो जविष्ठत्वं लोके प्रसिद्धम. मनसो अंतःकरणस्य माइंड विच इज अंतःकरण संकल्प विकल्प लक्षणस्य whose लक्षण is संकल्प विकल्प both. उपाधेः अनुवर्तनात्, so there upadhi is anuvartanam. Whatever upadhi is doing, as if you see Atma is doing it. Upadhehe anuvartanat. Iha dehasthasya manasa, mind which is here in this body, it goes to Brahmaloka. When either he does upasana of Hiranyagarbha, then also, or any chintanam, I don't want to go to Brahmaloka. I am Sakshi of Brahmaji also. Ya Brahmadi Pipilikanta Tanushu Prota. In this way. So, Manasaha Brahmalokadi Duragamanam Sankalpena Kshanamatrad Bhavati. He just thinks and it happens. Oh, mind doesn't need anything. Everything is for Sthula Sharira only. Food is for Sthula Sharira. Place is for Sthula Sharira. Clothes are for, so roti, kapda, makan, everything is for Sthula Sharira. All upachara, vyavahara requires Sukshma Sharira, what vyavahara? See, even if everything is closed, can mind go out or not? So anybody's mind can come inside, anybody's mind can go outside, anywhere, from one country to another country, one loka to another loka. You don't need punya, papa, you don't need any immigration, nothing. Sula Sharira only has all niyamas. So yogis, they go anywhere. Manaso Javishtat. And Dhyani. See, yogi will, with his mind, he'll go there. Those who have wealth, etc., they will use that wealth or their punya to go. What will Jnani say? I'm already there, why should I go? I'm Brahma Rupa, so I'm already there. So no going, no coming for Jnani. But that does not mean Jnani doesn't go anywhere. Jnani will go. He'll go to Andaman, he'll go to Jagannath Puri, anywhere. But that going is not required. If he goes, is also okay. He said, I was already there without upadhi. Now my upadhi also has come in this way. Manaso Javishtatvam. Javishtatvam. In Javishtha, you know what is the pratyaya? Ishthan pratyaya. Loke prasiddham. So we saw that in Tika, Dehastasya iti. Now further. Javiyastvat ashwadivat tarhi chakshuradi grahyatvam praptam ityashankya. If it is fast, so it is fast like Ashwa, horse. So Ashwa has Chakshuradi Grahyatvam. You can see it through Chakshu. So Purvapakshi's Vyapti is this. Yatra yatra Javiyatvam. Tatra tatra Chakshuradi Grahyatvam. Ashwavat. Like Ashwa. So Atma also has Javiyastvam. So Atma also should be Chakshuradi Grahya. This is his sadhya. Iti praptam iti ashankyaha nainaddeva. Everybody understood this Vyapti part? Means he says Atma Chakshuradigrahya Javiyastvat Ashvadivat. This is the Anumanam. So we should be able to construct the Anumanam from the Vakya and understand, oh, this is what Purvapaksha is trying to say. Ashanka aha nainadyeva iti. Nainadyeva apnuvan purvamarshad. That part we have in not come in Bhashya. See, one more Vakya is there. Tasmin manasi ब्रह्मलोकादीन धृतम गच्छति सति प्रथम प्राप्त इव आत्मचैतन्यावभासो गृह्यते अतो मनसो जवीय इत्याह। तस्मिन् मनसि ब्रह्मलोकादीन धृतम गच्छति सति। तस्मिन् मनसि is Vishaya Saptami and Gacchati Sati is Sati Saptami. Gacchati Sati. Manasi, when mind is the Vishaya. Mind goes to Brahmalokadin. When that mind goes to Brahmalokadin, how swiftly? Dhrutam Gacchati Sati. Prathama Prapta Iva Atma Chaitanya Avabhaso Grihyate. Ato मनसो जवीय इत्याह। प्रथम प्राप्त इव सीधा टिप्पणी प्रथम प्राप्त इव ब्रह्मलोकादीन संकल्पयतो संकल्प अनुस्वार इज देयर स if it is not there you put संकल्पयतो मनसः साक्षित्वेन। संकल्पयतो अनुस्वार is there or not?
Sankalpayato, there is no anuswara.
So what did I say? Put it. संकल्पयतो मनसः साक्षित्वेन भासमानः चैतन्य प्रकाशः प्रथम प्राप्त एव भाति। Sakshi Prakash is there even before mind reaches there. So Sakshi is illumining mind wherever mind is. If mind is here, Sakshi will illumine. Mind goes somewhere, Sakshi is already there. In Advait, class is over. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।